For today's Google Classroom, we're going to be looking at simple graphs. Each of our graphs has 3 different categories, and we're working with the number under 5. So anything under 5, and we're going to be working on graphing that number. We have 3 graphs to make today. One with farm animals, one with groceries, and one with woodland creatures. So let's go to our farm animals first. It says, Max had 3 ducks, 2 cows, and 5 sheep. Show his animals on the graph below. So each of these animals over here, you can click and drag them to make them go onto the graph. So let me show you. Max had 3 ducks. So I'm going to pull a duck over. 1, 2, and 3. And there I showed 3 ducks on my graph. Now, it only counts if it's inside the white lines on the graph. These over here don't count. They're category markers. So don't count that as your graphing. Now we're going to do 2 cows. I'm going to go ahead and drag over 1 cow, 2 cows. And then he had 5 sheep. So I got to drag over 5 sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and I just made my graph with the farm animals. Let's go on down to the grocery store. This says, my mom went to the grocery store. She bought 3 eggs, 2 cookies, and 3 boxes of cereal. So it's your turn to now click on the pictures and drag them to your graph. I'll read it one more time. My mom went to the grocery store. She bought 3 eggs, 2 cookies, and 3 boxes of cereal. Go ahead and graph that on yours. And if you'd like to pause this video while you do that, you can. I'm going to read the woodland creatures to you though. The woodland creatures. I went on a walk in the woods. I saw 4 owls, 1 squirrel, and 3 bugs. So then you take your owls and graph them, take your squirrels and graph them, and then take your bugs and graph them. I'll read that one more time for you. I went on a walk in the woods. I saw 4 owls, 1 squirrel, and 3 bugs. When you're all done graphing your 3 graphs today, you need to turn it in to your Google Classroom. And remember, if